Let's now have the awarding of resolution of commendation. May I ask?
Receiving the Outstanding Social Inclusion Leadership Award at the Dakilang Filipino Awards 2025, recognizing his leadership in advancing social inclusion, empowering marginalized sectors, and bringing pride and honor to the city. Once again, congratulations to Dr. Samuel G. Aquino. Next. And lastly, the city government of Baguio, through resolution number 268, series of 2000, vigilance and humanity when faced with those in distress.
Good morning, everyone. Before we continue, may I ask the Assistant CP, and we're recognized as a Silver Trailblazer Awardee. Since then, we have moved into the compliance stage, where our focus is on strengthening execution and ensuring the strategies are effectively carried out across all offices. As a part of our cascading efforts, the city conducted the PGS examinations to the Development and Sustainability Office, and the city library.
Jam Tulog, Jam Hilton Baglay, Jam Oliver Dakanay, Mark Dave Andres, This effort proves that when people work together, they can make a big difference in the lives of many. Oplan Libreng Sakay is more than
These operations while continuously working to strengthen service delivery for all persons deprived of liberty. The current Chade population stands at 44, reflecting a 149% congestion rate against an ideal capacity of 16.